Welcome friends to Andy's English Grammar. Today I have for you active voice and passive voice. Chiefly for Indian students, I would like to use my non-grammatical innovative way. What is active voice or an active sentence? A sentence which has a subject, a transitive verb, and an object is active sentence. And a passive sentence in form also has a subject, a to be verb, a main verb or action verb in past participle form, a by preposition, and an object. Now, when can you consider a sentence as active sentence? In my non-grammatical way, when the subject does the action indicated by the verb on the object. I repeat, when the subject does the action indicated by the verb on the object, it is active voice, or the sentence will be called active sentence. For example, he killed a tiger. Here the subject is he doing the action killed on the object tiger. You can take it in a technical way, forward action. Subject does the action of killed on the object tiger. So action is forward. This is active. Now the passive. Passive is the opposite version of active. Hence, when the action will be done by the object on the subject, you can say as a revenge. That is passive form. For example, the tiger was killed by him. Here tiger is the subject, action killed is done on the tiger and by the object him. So it is passive voice. So for Indian students or non-English students, it is easy to recognize the passive form or passive sentence by looking at the verb form. The verb or the action verb will be in its past participle form and preceded by one to be verb form, am, is, are, was, were, be, been, etc. So friends, when you know the active and passive, then you can go forward to changing active form into passive form. I say the verb has the active and passive form. For example, the present tense verb eat, it is active form because it is not preceded by any to be verb or it is not in past participle form. So eat is the present tense verb form. The passive will be to be verb plus past participle of it. So any to be verb, as I mentioned, and the past participle of the verb eat will make passive. Now let us proceed. Present tense passive. Is eaten, am eaten, are eaten. So there are three to be verb forms. So there will be three different passives of the same verb eat. Similarly, ate is the past form of it. So the passives will be was eaten, were eaten. Here there are two passive forms because there are two to be verbs. In the similar fashion, the perfect form of eat, has eaten or have eaten. So the passive will be has been eaten or have been eaten. Been is the to be verb form for the passive construction. So see friends, it is how you can learn passives very easily and in a non-technical or non-grammatical way. Thank you.